Welcome to Digital Marketing 101, your ultimate beginner's guide to navigating the world of online marketing. Hi, I'm Rhonda, and today we're diving into the essentials of digital marketing. Whether you're a small business owner, an aspiring marketer, or just curious about the field, this guide is for you. So, what is digital marketing? Simply put, it's the use of digital channels to promote or market products and services to consumers and businesses. It includes channels such as websites, social media, email, search engines, and mobile apps. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach their audience where they are spending a lot of their time online. Digital marketing is crucial because it helps businesses connect with their audience in real time. Statistics show that people are spending more time online, and this trend is only growing. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing is cost-effective, measurable, and allows for precise targeting. Let's break down the key components of digital marketing. Content marketing, creating valuable content to attract and engage your audience. Search engine optimization, SEO, optimizing your content to rank higher in search engine results. Social media marketing, using social platforms to promote your brand and connect with your audience. Email marketing, sending targeted messages to your subscribers to drive engagement and sales. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC, paying for ads that appear on search engines and social media platforms. Affiliate marketing, partnering with other businesses or influencers to promote your products. Analytics, measuring and analyzing your marketing efforts to optimize performance. Ready to get started? Here's a simple plan to kick off your digital marketing journey. Set clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your digital marketing efforts. Identify your target audience. Understand who your audience is and what they need. Create a content strategy. Plan and create content that provides value to your audience. Choose the right channels. Focus on the platforms where your audience spends the most time. Measure and optimize. Use analytics tools to track your performance and make data-driven decisions. And that's your crash course in digital marketing. Remember, the digital landscape is always evolving, so stay curious and keep learning. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tutorials. Have questions or want to share your digital marketing journey? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy marketing! And if you're serious about mastering digital marketing, join the Digital Growth Community, an online digital marketing training initiative designed to help individuals generate passive income through various strategies. It includes several components, such as the Launchpad, Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, and Digital Mastery, each offering step-by-step instructions on building and scaling an online business. Click the link in the description to learn more and start growing your digital marketing expertise today.